Anagarika Dharmapala, the visionary of Buddhist revival. In this video, we explore the life of Anagarika Dharmapala, a key figure in the Buddhist revival movement in the late 19th and early 20th centuries. Born in 1864 in Colombo, Sri Lanka, Dharmapala was a passionate advocate for the preservation of Buddhist heritage. He played a pivotal role in protecting sacred sites like the Bodhi tree in India, and founded the Maha Bodhi Society to promote Buddhist education and culture globally. Known for his commitment to social reforms and his work in reawakening Buddhist pride, Dharmapala also helped bridge the gap between Eastern and Western Buddhist communities. His legacy continues to inspire millions today, making him a true visionary for the Buddhist world. Join us in celebrating the life and impact of this extraordinary man who dedicated his life to the protection and promotion of Buddhist values and traditions. Thanks for watching.